Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Ocwen Mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open your preferred web browser to get started. Go to the URL box at the top and type in ocwen.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for Ocwen. From the main homepage, click on the customer login button at the top right hand corner. Now, to access your mortgage account, you'll need to first log in. Click on sign in and you'll find yourself in the login page for PHH Mortgage. Type in your username and then your password in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your password or your username, click on the forgot password or the username link at the bottom of the screen respectively. Agree to the user term and privacy policy by checking on this box at the bottom and click login to log into your Ocwen Mortgage account. That is how you should be able to access your Ocwen Mortgage account quick and easy in just few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.